Good morning, students. Today we will study about life under Delhi Sultanate. The establishment of the Delhi Sultanate marked the beginning of the new era in India's political, socio-economic, cultural and religious history. Delhi Sultan ruled over India about 300 years from 1206 CE to 1526 CE. This Muslim rule led to the emergence of Indo-Islamic culture. In this chapter, we will study about how this culture influenced the various facets of life during this period. So first we will study about society during Sultanate period. There were very little change in Indian society of that time. It was same as that of the previous period. The Brahmins were at the top and conditions of women was low. Practices such as child marriage, parda pratha, sati pratha, widow remarriage, caste system were continued in the society. One change which was seen in the life of women was parda pratha. It was introduced during Turkish invasion. Now we will see about division of society. Society was divided into four classes: aristocracy, priestly class, town dwellers and peasantry. Now we will discuss all the classes one by one. So first is aristocracy. Aristocracy dominated the society. It includes the Sultan, his family, the nobles, Hindu rulers and landlords. The Sultan was the center of power, and in Friday Namaz a sermon was read in his name. It shows the power of Sultan. Second class was priestly class. These included Brahmins among the Hindus and ulemas, Maulvis and Qazis among the Muslims. Ulemas were the chief advisors of the Sultan in religious matters. Maulvis were experts of Islamic laws written in Quran, and Qazis were the judicial officers to solve different types of conflicts as per Islamic law and teaches nikah. Third class was town dwellers. Merchants, traders and artisans who resides in towns and cities were known as town dwellers. They enjoyed a good standard of life. Fourth class was peasantry. Peasants lived in the villages. They had to pay land taxes. Their lives were very difficult. Their life was not affected by the change of rulers and dynasties. Now, you all are supposed to give answers of these questions. Question 1. How many social groups were there in the society of this period? Question 2. What did aristocracy comprise? Question 3. Who was the center of power in Sultanate period? Question 4. Who were ulemas? Question 5. What was khutbah and in whose name it was read? So children, You will write answers of these questions as homework.